most critical matters we are facing during our assistance. We are assisting our customers every day to help them use the equipment in the most suitable way for them. Let's see the most common needs and how to help. Training assistants, it's important to fully understand the equipment functionalities. Our qualified technicians will explain and show in detail the operation and the troubleshooting of the equipment. Process assistance. Our process experts can guide and assist during the product process with our equipment. This is helpful to understand the best way to operate the system. Equipment improvement. Each piece of equipment is tailor-made and its use may vary over the years. We can adapt the system to our new needs by either providing training and assistance or improving the system itself to meet the new needs.